Welcome to Chennuo Electric's new energy battery workshop. Today, we'll show you how tiny battery cells become reliable battery modules with our key step, laser welding. First, every battery cell goes through strict testing. We check its performance to make sure it is safe and reliable. Only the best move forward. Now the key step, laser welding. Our advanced laser welding technology connects cells with busbars quickly and accurately, no manual errors. Just perfect, strong joints every time. It is fast, efficient, and keeps the cells safe from damage. After welding, we assemble the cells into a battery module. Each module is fixed with insulators to ensure stability and safety. Ready for the next production step. At Chennuo, precision matters. Our laser welding and strict quality control make our battery modules reliable, efficient, and built to last. Thank you for watching.